We come to the proximity or adjacency. What do I mean when I say proximity or adjacency? First, let's see how it comes in different databases. You can have patient ADJ3 education, patient ** education, and patient I don't know what in PubMed. The first sentence represents adjacency in Medline. The second one, guess what? In our friend Google. It used to be written as around capital A, capital R, capital O, U, and D, between brackets, the number of the words, which is here in this case 2. To lessen it, they made each asterisk represent a word. And what do I mean by adjacency or proximity? It means if I have ADJ3, a maximum of 2 words coming between patient and education as other alternatives to patient education as a phrase. So, when I say patient ADJ3 education, I mean education of patient, patient education, patient friend education, patient family education, patient friends and family education, patient friend beloved education, education of friends, patient, education of family and patients. So all of these phrases are given to me ordered by simply typing in patient ADJ3 education in Medline. So imagine how much time you have saved on yourself typing in all of these phrases. The same is done by patient ** education. So the number 3 is actually 2 words coming between the first word and the second word interchangeably. ADJ3 means maximum of 2 words coming between patient and education interchangeably. It is represented by patient ** in education in Google. What about PubMed? Does PubMed give us any proximity or adjacency? No. So how would I go about this in PubMed? I would actually type in patient and between phrase family education, or patient and phrase friend education, or patient and beloved education, for example. So proximity is one of the features that are present in Medline but is not present in PubMed. And it saves me time to type in the different phrases that might come up in this context.